You are listening to the world's most cinematic automotive channel, V8X, presenting the 2026 Range Rover SV Long in Santorini Black, an ultimate expression of luxury, power, and futuristic design. Tonight, we take you through a fully immersive, ultra-realistic night showroom experience, capturing every angle, every curve, and every intricate detail of this extraordinary vehicle. Our journey begins with the aggressive low-angle front shot, where the massive grille and razor-sharp LED DRLs dominate the frame. The neon showroom lights reflect brilliantly over the glossy Santorini Black paint, revealing every contour in cinematic clarity. The low angle emphasizes the Range Rover's commanding presence, projecting an aura of confidence and sophistication that only a vehicle of this caliber can deliver. Next, the wide front hero shot reveals the full front fascia in all its glory. Every chrome accent, every metallic reflection, and every sculpted line is captured in stunning 8K realism. The cinematic lighting highlights the subtle curves and muscular stance, presenting a luxury SUV that balances elegance with an aggressive edge. Moving to the side profile, the long wheelbase silhouette glides across the reflective showroom floor. The polished surfaces of Santorini Black paint shimmer under soft neon glows, while the vehicle's precise lines and premium design elements radiate class and poise. Here, the Range Rover SV Long reveals the harmony of power and refinement, a true symbol of modern automotive artistry. At the rear three-quarter angle, the glowing LED taillights illuminate the darkened showroom, emphasizing the vehicle's muscular rear stance. The hyper-realistic reflections and dramatic shadows bring out a cinematic intensity, giving the SUV a sense of movement even at a standstill. We then focus on intimate details, starting with the close-up of the front wheel. The chrome spokes glint under the neon lights, the brake calipers perfectly rendered, and the reflective floor enhances the hyper-realistic effect. This level of detail conveys the precision, engineering, and craftsmanship synonymous with the SV Long. The interior open-door angle reveals a cabin bathed in ambient light. Luxurious quilted leather, polished metal accents, and subtle wood inlays exude sophistication. Each surface interacts with the showroom's light and 8K photorealistic clarity, offering a glimpse into the opulent world that passengers enjoy within. From above, the top-down drone perspective captures the full showroom, emphasizing the vehicle's proportions and its relationship to the environment. The neon reflections, the hyper-detailed roof, and the immaculate floor textures complete the cinematic tableau. Finally, the rolling motion shot and the night showroom shoot transform the Range Rover SV Long into a living cinematic masterpiece. Motion blur, glowing reflections, and dramatic lighting convey power, agility, and elegance, uniting every angle into a continuous visual story. This is V8X, the ultimate home of cinematic automotive art, where every frame, every reflection, and every detail is meticulously crafted to bring vehicles like the 2026 Range Rover SV Long Santorini Black to life.